Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start a community on Reddit. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So starting or creating a community is one of the best way to interact with people who have the same interests. To do this, head to your Reddit account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. Then you can go to start a community on this sidebar, and if you don't see this, you should see this expand navigation, and now you can see we have start community option. Just click on start a community, and here you want to choose what your community is all about. We have quite a number of options here. I'll choose mine and then click on next. Choose whether you want to make your community public or restricted or private, and also you can set age restriction. If you want your users to be 18 years and over, you must turn on this. So for my case, I just want to leave it open, and now I'll click on next. Now you need to give your community a name, so I'll write AI community like that. So I'll separate it with comma, and to remember, you cannot leave space. You're told only letters, numbers, and underscore are allowed, so I'll use underscore here. So there's AI community, and then give your community a description. I'm told this community already exists, so I'll modify. So I've changed AI testers. Then I'll give my community a description. So this community, I want it to be about testing various AI platforms and sharing findings. Once you are done, that is the final stage. Complete by clicking on create community. And look at that, I've launched my community. To go to community page, just click on go to community page, and here is our new community page. From here, you can now start creating your first post by clicking on create post here. So that's how you can create a community on Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.